Hello, my name is Odosai Gaiwa, and I'm an automation specialist, and I'm going to walk you through, once again, my demo Airtable base I built for a client to be able to track the speakers they have and automatically assign them to the different sessions, as well as show the venue and the financial aspects, right? So I've already shot, like I have like one long video and some videos that were cut, so you can watch those videos and then come back to this. So for this my Airtable base, I have a lot of linked record, like every single thing is linked from one place to another. For example, inside the event table, you'll be able to find the details of the speaker. And this speaker event comes in automatically. Okay, it comes in automatically in relation to the actions that have happened in this speaker table. Okay, so you can see Eduardo Dosa here came in automatically. So what do we have here? We have Eduardo Dosa, we have Sarah Jenkins, we have Jeff. Okay, so these are the three speakers we currently have. And it came in automatically because these speakers were automatically assigned. Okay, so they were automatically assigned to a session and it's populated in this event table. It's not a coincidence. I set it up. Okay, so I created this. I walked this through by using the connect. I linked it to another record, as well as I used the lookup and rollup fields to pick out specific details that I want to see in specific fields. Okay, so we have the name of the speaker here. We have the total cost. So this total cost is supposed to be manually imputed. And when you manually impute the total cost, the amount you spent for the event, okay, in relation to whatever is linked to this, it will automatically what show us the profit after. So this is the description. This is the field for profit after venue, after cost and speaker fee. Okay, so it will automatically populate and let you know if there's a profit or a loss, depending on if it's below or above 20% from the allocated costs. So if it is below 20% of the allocated cost, it's going to come in as red. If it is above, it's going to come in as blue, as green. So for example, we see Jeff here, right? Depending on whether this event is completed. So if I come here and say, okay, so for this event for Jeff, we sold a total of 50,000 tickets. The venue cost 5,000 and the speaker fee is 4,200. So what this profits, what this thing will do for us is that it will calculate it in relation to this difference and give us the exact amount that we got. Okay, so let's say the total cost we spent, the total amount we spent for the event, aside the venue and the speaker fee. Okay, it's, let's say we spend $20,000. Okay, so what this profit see, it will automatically give us the profit after all these other things are subtracted. So this is how the formula looks. This is a formula field. You know, formula in Airtable can help you do a lot of things. It saves a lot. You know, there are a lot of things that you think automation will help you, that formula will just help you sort out. So this is the description of what this field is, and this is the formula. So this is the formula that the ticket sales is subtracted from the total cost, subtracted from the venue cost, speaker fee, to give us what whether it's a profit or a loss. So if it's a loss, which is to be below 0.2, below 20%, it will give us this red ribbon. And if it's a profit, it will give us this green ribbon. So that's the formula here. So all I have to do is that as long as I have my speakers here, I'll be able to deduct everything deductible. If I don't have my speakers here, I will not be able to have speakers fee or venue. Okay, so everything still boils down to the fact that these speakers have to be confirmed and assigned before this event will give us our calculations. So for example, we have Eduardo Dosa here. I've not put the total cost yet. So if I come here to put the total cost, so let's say total cost is $30,000, the profit will automatically calculate that it's a loss. Okay, I also set up different views, and one of the view is for loss. And what this loss view will give us is that it will give us the details regarding anything that has to do with the red ribbon. So this is its loss. So this is just like a streamlined view for anybody that is in the financial department. So this is it. Anything that has to do with below the profit margin to come in here, and then the profits to come in here as this Okay, they will have the status tracker in relation to whether it is complete or it is just in relation to whether the event is active, planning, or complete, and then the financial calculation. Okay, so like I said, the only way this financial calculation will compute is when I've already assigned the speaker to a session. Okay, so let's try an example again. So let's come to this speaker and let's see if we can match. So let's match David Chen. Okay, this is the gallery view. I can do this here. I can also do this here as well. Why is this showing this? Sorry about that. So I can do that here. I can also do this here as well. So let's do this in this ID, because the previous video we did it in the other. So let's see this. So let's say David Chen. There are other people I could choose. So I'll just click this and match to session. So the script will run. So let's wait for the script to finish running. Takes just a few seconds. Okay, so it has matched this David Chen to the event in relation to what is actually written in relation to what was written in its ID table, right? Okay. So the next will be for me to come over to my events to see that it has actually populated. So come to my event table. Let me close the script. So in my event table, David Chen, you see David Chen is now here. He wasn't here before. So it's only when you assign, everything boils down to whatever is done by the manager. So once the manager assigns, it will automatically come here as David Chen. Okay, so I can now automatically write the total price and my profit will populate. Okay, so this also, and whenever somebody is assigned, it's also automatically populates in the venue table. Okay, so it assigns and shows us who is assigned, what the person is doing, this session, as well as the venue table. So everything boils down to what goes down in the speaker. Even in the section table, you'll be able to also find the different sessions. So these are lots of sections. You'll be also able to find the session dates, the start and end time, the speakers. So immediately the speaker is the script runs, it comes in here and populates their details. So David Chen, right? So yeah. So instead of using manual spreadsheets to do things like this, you can easily just hop on a call with me. If you want to use Airtable, we can go over Airtable or any project management tool and we'll get this fixed. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this my Airtable practice. And if you're interested, I'm just a call away. You can send me a direct message and I'll be able to go from there. Have a good day today and bye.